How to deactivate your Threads profile without deleting your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Threads and want to take a break without deleting your Instagram account, then you can temporarily deactivate your Threads profile. First of all, launch open the Threads application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to this page where you need to click the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open settings. From here, go ahead and tap on Account Center from the top. Inside Account Center, go ahead and select your profile. Since I have multiple profiles, I'm just gonna have to select one that I want to deactivate. Now from the menu, go to the bottom and tap on Manage Accounts. On the next page, choose the account you want to deactivate. Click the Manage button right next to the account. On the next page, go ahead and select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, you'll see two different options that says Deactivate Account or Delete Account. To deactivate your Threads profile without deleting your Instagram account, just select the Deactivate Account option at the top and tap on Continue. Now, go ahead and click the Continue button once again and follow through the instructions. And that way you will be able to deactivate your Threads profile without deleting your Instagram account. Your Threads profile will be hidden until you sign back in, but your Instagram account will remain active and unaffected. So that's how you deactivate your Threads profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.